How to enable trade confirmation on Steam. First things first is access your Steam account and make sure that you're fully logged into your account. From here, just go head directly to your profile and tap on View My Profile. Now once you're here, just click on Edit Profile. Now scroll down until you find Privacy Settings. Click on that. Now scroll down and then under Inventory, change it to Public. Now once inventory is changed to public, now go to View and then go to Inventory. From here, just click on Trade Offers. Now in this portion right here, just click on Who Can Send Me Trade Offers. Or in here, you just have to click on Create New URL. Click on that. And copy this URL right here. And you are fully confirmed your Steam trade confirmation.